What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Want to Be Outdoors. We're out in the kayak on Walker Lake again, and we brought Boo's rod, and we're gonna see if he can catch his first fish all by himself if he doesn't tear his lure off. Okay, ready? Reel it up a second. Reel it up. Reel it up. There you go. Okay, you ready? Nope. Yep. Let it sink. Let it sink. Now, real slow. Throw it out there. Beat you. I win. You want to throw him back? Do you want to drop him back in? Give me your thumb. Put your thumb in his mouth. Your thumb. Nope, your thumb. Put your thumb right in his mouth. Your thumb. Your thumb. Okay, drop him over. Good job. Give me knuckles. Don't drop your rod. You're on the bottom. They're on the bottom. That's number 2. What do you think? You want to throw him back? Thumb. Thumb in his mouth. Thumb. Whoop. Ow. Thumb. Thumb in his mouth. Grab him by the lip. Now let him go. Good job. Cast it out. Okay. But don't touch anything. Just let it sink. Let it sink. See the line moving? Let it sink. Just like that. Let it sink. Let it sink. Let it sink. Now set it. Now just bring it in slow. Real slow. Real slow. Real slow. Slow, slow, slow. Slower. Nope, slower. Reel it. Keep reeling. Keep reeling. Look what you got! You got your first fish! You got your first fish! Bring it here! Look at that! Look at that! You got your first fish! You got your first fish! Nope, thumb in his mouth. Do you want to keep him or do you want to let him go? It wasn't quite completely by yourself. Here, show him to the camera. Look, look, see, I got my first fish. Do you want to let him go? Okay. Now you cast it out all by yourself and do it this time. We'll take that as an assist. But wait, hold on, you're wrapped around. I've got a bumblebee black and yellow crappie magnet on his. I've got an electric chicken on mine. Both of them have caught fish so far, and I'm sure he has probably missed quite a few more. Pull. Nope, 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 nope. There's a hook. Careful. You got to get the hook out. Like that. You throwing him back? Put your thumb in his mouth. Nope, thumb. 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 Hold him up. Hold on. Just hold him right there. Hold him right here. I want a picture to send to Mommy. Wait, 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 wait. Don't throw him back yet. Never mind. We ain't got time for pictures. Huh? No time for pictures? You did that all by yourself. You caught that 100% by yourself. Tip, come here. Okay, reel, couple reels, couple cranks. Whoa, right there. Nope, you're reeling too far up. Reel, 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 whoa. Nope, you're tangled at the top again. Come here. Okay, ready? Here. You got a fish. And he got off, but you still had a fish. Do it again. Throw it out there. Okay, let it sink. Nope, throw it out, let it sink. Now cast. Wrong side? Got one. Little one. Nope, reel it slow. Slow, slow. You gotta keep it on the bottom.
Go, 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 go.
Not go, 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 go. Slow, 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 slow.
Go, go, go.
What are we at? You got one and I got a couple.